Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Tuesday, January the 7th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is the link to our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open between 9 and 3 Eastern Time. I share my screen, and I'm live on the mic all day long. In the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off, either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. Well, what a day. What a day. It one excellent alert from the AI with APA, and it is still going strong. The alert happened at right there at 30.71, and it's almost a $2 pop. I was saying in the pre-market that APA, I haven't seen a press release like this for a long time. You know, basically a big oil discovery, and we just haven't seen things like that for quite a while. But the market really, look at this. I mean, it closed yesterday around 25. It's almost a $7-8 increase now. And the AI got it at 30.71, and it's still surging here. So tremendous alert from the AI today. My watch list produced very well again. Let's see, what are some of the really, the nice ones here? Let's take a look at, there's SPWH, 839, it hit 867. Weight Watchers was a disappointment, I have to admit. 40.85, and we're all waiting for this to break out over 41. Just never did it, so it took a little loss on that one. I don't think the TNXP, the TNXP, 183 all the way up to 218 before it came back. INSG, 857, got as high as 895 before it came back. This was a disaster. This club, it got the alert, and then there was this bottoming tail right on that candle. Took me out of the trade immediately. Perry, 761, 784 right now. Cala, $5, 525, got as high as 536. This one is starting to move, I believe. Yes, AQST, 635, 659 now. I was talking about this one all morning. Loving this one. OI, 1295, 1318. This one is still kind of trying to make up its mind. 679, 671 right now. But just a great bunch of alerts from the watch list. Even a couple on the downside. Con, briefly, 1145. It got down to 1123. Val, 717, got down to 679. This one I doubt if it's doing very much. Yeah, 110. It's at 105 right now. So anyway, the watch list is definitely performing. I'm loving, being able to just concentrate on a few stocks all day long and really not having to pay attention to much more. I mean, that's the whole purpose of the watch list. And again, if you want to follow my watch list all day long, all you have to do is click on New, Channel Bar, My Windows, all right? And this, remember, anything in a channel bar is a layout. So before you do that, make sure you save your layout to the cloud. You can only have one layout loaded at a time, which is okay, but as long as you save your layout to the cloud, you can always bring it back. But you can follow my watch list all day long. Nothing triggers until, you can see right there, nothing triggers until at least 9:45. I try to let the market settle down a little bit. I recognize that I'll lose those early morning runners, the ones that keep running from 9:30 on. That's okay. Look at all the great setups that we had just by waiting a little bit. And I just find that it's a lot easier psychologically to do that than having to, take these early trades, get stopped out. It kind of maybe gets you in a bad mood. Just wait a bit. There's no rush necessarily to do anything. The other thing that's interesting is that, the market again is down 100 points right now. And look at all these. I mean, these are the alpha stocks. These are stocks that they don't care what the whole market is doing. You'll see most of them are rather inexpensive stocks, probably low float situations. They're basically, they are trading to their own beat. They don't really care what the overall market is doing. And let's see, what else do I have here? That is about it. Yes, that's about it. I am waiting on the Kala, Kala. Let me see what it's doing right now. Come on. Yeah, so the 200-day moving average is 518 right there. So if it holds this, look left, it still has some room. You know, it's got a lot of room. You know, up to this area here. Now, every time I say that, I don't mean I'm not predicting it's going to get there. All we're trying to do is we're just trying to take chart resistance as one of the reasons why a stock may not go up. We're trying to take that out of the equation. And maybe this could stall it a bit, 573. But hey, this was a great one yesterday. If you were in the room yesterday, you know, there's the candle yesterday, and then it's a follow through today. And that green line is the 200-day. So as long as it stays above it, this could still have a nice little run in it. So anyway, I hope you guys, if you haven't been in the room before, you know, it's a free room. Come on into the room. You can see how we use the watch list all day long. Allows you to concentrate on just a few stocks every single day. The watch list I create overnight and load it for you, so you don't have to do anything. Just let the alerts trigger, and you know, I'm not going to tell you to take any trade or not to take a trade. It's up to you. But at least you're not jumping around from 50, 60, 100 stocks all day long. You can concentrate on maybe 15. And the other thing is they're not all coming at once, so you have lots of time to examine the setups and figure out, if you do want to trade it. So I want to get back into the room and bring back the capture program. So again, any questions for me? This is the email address you can use. Here's the link for our free room. The room will open tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you then. Bye.